Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a left turn at the stop sign. First of all, mirror signal. If you need, check your blind spot. If you don't need, no need to check. Okay, stop before the sidewalk. So the left turning is different than right turning. The left turning you have to go 1/3 of the road. Then if you don't see, creep up slowly. Now it's clear. Go to the 1/3 of the road, 1 and 2. Then after that, when you are straight, then release your hand. The wheel automatically comes back. Hand over hand and release. If you are not familiar with the hand over hand, you can use push pull push pull. This is left turning at the stop sign. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, like our videos. See you in the next video.